you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life, a fantasy. When you're here, you'll never want to go. Put your faith in something you don't know. Ooh, gotta run into the light. Ooh, gotta chase the morning sun.
So yeah, I don't know if you can really see it. So I'm gonna be doing the dark green here. I'm gonna be doing the regular green here. I'm gonna mix two colors. I'm gonna be doing the light green plus the normal green. And then this last one will be light green. And then I'm gonna be doing the light green up there because I do have 4 colors. So I'm gonna show you the 4 colors I have. So I have currently, I have the color, come on, Obligation, that's the dark green. Paradise Found, that is the normal green is what I'm gonna call it. This is Aquamarine Dreams. This is gonna be the light green, and then this is gonna be the top color, which is Secret Crush. And it's like a very, very, very light green. So that's my little, you know, whole idea for the nursery. And then in the middle we'll have, like right here, we'll have his sign that I made him. Sorry, I'm already out of breath. Oh my goodness. But more than likely, once I'm actually starting to paint, I'm probably gonna change it. Stole my eraser. A little crap. Get out of here. More than likely, I'm gonna change it just to see, you know, because it's kind of showing up. Like right there, I kind of want to change it a little bit. Oh, come on. So, we will see though. All right.
When I see you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life, a fantasy. When you're here, you'll never want to go. Put your faith in something you don't know. Ooh, feels like. Don't say you don't need me at all. And forgive me if I hurt you, baby. Don't you say that I did on purpose, baby, no. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know that I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me, baby, hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know that I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me, baby, hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. I gotta love that I lost. I gotta kiss since I met you. I got your name on my notes. I got everything, but I don't have you. 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 I gotta be that I rescued. I gotta love that I love.
Alright guys, so this is not the completed final, just because I had one more color I'm gonna be doing up here in the gray. It's gonna be a super light green, almost white. But I just want to let you know that this is what it's coming to. Still trying to decide if I actually want to add details or not, like snow caps or something on some of the mountains. So I will let you know and I will get back to you. Sorry I haven't done the full process. I stayed up till 2 a.m. last night doing this. So this is what it's come out to be though. So I hope you like it.